Hi friends, hi family, welcome back again to the channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. And to all my sweet amazing returning family, welcome back again to the channel. So today's video is an amazing one, guys. I am going to be showing you guys this my herbal hair growth butter recipe, which will help to strengthen your hair. Guys, I am in a 5 months hair growth challenge, not just growing my hair but keeping my hands healthy, because lately my ends have been breaking and I have not been able to retain much length that I would love to retain. So guys, I am going to be sharing with you guys this amazing recipe that will help to moisturize your hair, filled and packed with natural ingredients that is known to empower your hair, strengthen your hair, grow your hair, maintain your hair, sealing that moisture. If you have any scalp issue, baldness, alopecia, breakage, this butter is for you. So I am going to be making use of some amazing ingredients. Please watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I am going to be speaking more about the challenge. So guys, let's make this our herbal hair butter cream together. So for the first ingredient, I am going to be making use of mustard oil and coconut oil. These are the two oil I will be making use of. You can make use of any oil of your choice, like sesame oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil. Like, you can make use of any oil of your choice. So I am going to be making use of mustard oil with coconut oil. Mustard oil adds moisture to your hair, because this herbal butter cream is mainly focused on our ends and the scalp as well. I love this butter. I love the oil because of its ability to reduce scalp inflammation or irritation in our scalp. It also adds moisture, which will really help our ends a lot to retain length, and also it helps block the growth of certain types of harmful bacteria. And coconut oil is also very good for the hair. Coconut oil is made up of a medium chain fatty acid called lauric acid. This gives coconut oil a long straight structure which is more easily absorbed deeply into our hair shaft. I love coconut oil because it penetrates into my hair, and I normally use oils that penetrate into the hair, oils that don't just sit on your hair but penetrate inside and strengthen your hair from inside out. So guys, if you want a healthy, thicker, longer hair, please don't just use any hair oil. I suggest you invest in a quality good oil that will give you the best results. Oils that will penetrate and treat your hair inside, not just oil that will make your hair greasy. An oil that when you are sleeping, you will know that it will be doing the work, not just sitting on your hair, but something that I know what you guys know what I mean. Okay, invest in a good quality oil. When you invest in a good quality oil, you guys will definitely see results in your hair. Okay guys, you can purchase an already made oil which you know that it has an amazing benefit in it, or you just go and buy oils that have good quality. Make your research about different type of oil. Okay guys, so let's move over to the herb. Let me not talk too much. The first ingredient I will be making use of is oregano herb, or oregano leaves. Oregano has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which is very good. Oregano is a fragrant herb that is best known as an ingredient in Italian food. It is loaded with antioxidants and powerful compounds that have proven health benefits. Guys, oregano offers great benefit for your hair and scalp. It helps to achieve a thicker hair. So guys, our next ingredient is coffee powder. Coffee is very great because it is known to promote faster hair growth, promote strong and healthy hair. The hormone DHT in the body is known to weaken our hair follicle, causing a decline in hair production. So guys, coffee helps to activate ATP. ATP is a molecule that carries energies between cells. It can also combat DHT, which reduce hair fall and make our hair stronger, encouraging hair growth. So guys, the next ingredient is our rosemary leaf. Rosemary is a rich antioxidant leaf which help to control hair loss, help to circulate more blood circulation or more blood into our hair follicles. So guys, I will also be making use of our flaxseed powder and clove seeds. Flaxseed is known for its golden brown color, which has nutritional powerhouse, and it contributes a lot to our hair as well. So guys, you guys know that clove is very good. I've used it a couple of times. It promotes hair growth. And the last ingredient is going to be our black tea. Black tea is optional, guys. I just decided to add it to it. I normally make black tea into a tea. I love hair tea, hair rinses, and I use black tea and green tea as a hair rinse. So I just decided to add this black tea powder into, since it is a powder and it is very good to promote hair growth, I just decided to add it into this hair cream that we'll be making. And it also contains caffeine. Anything that contains caffeine like coffee, black tea, it helps in promoting hair growth. And black tea contains coffee, and it is an amazing ingredient, so it stimulates hair growth. And also I am going to be infusing this. You can do a double boiler method with these herbs, but I just decided to leave it in a low heat, let it stimulate, so that all the nutrients in the herbs can go into our oil. And after it cools down, I will then go ahead to strain it. This is what the oil is looking like. After about 30 minutes or about 25 to 30 minutes, I bring it down because I put my gas in a very low heat to let it infuse slowly. This is a very fast process, and if you want to do it slowly, you can do the double boiler method, or you can leave this to infuse in a jar in a cool place at least for 2 weeks. Okay, so right now it is cooled down and I went ahead to strain it. This is very potent and effective. As you can see, the color is very dark, and yeah, this is to show that this oil is very powerful. It is potent and all of the nutrients has entered into the oil. The oil is no longer looking light but dark in color because of the herbs that has infused in it. Please, if you are enjoying this video and you are finding it helpful, you are getting to know natural herbs that you can use on your hair, please give this video a like. I have tons of video about hair care recipes, DIY using natural ingredients and other professional ingredients as well. Please scroll down to other of my videos. This channel is all about taking care of your natural hair using natural ingredients. Please subscribe to this channel to see more hair care related videos and tips on how to grow a healthy hair. So guys, after straining the oil, this is what it looks like. Let's now move over to make our hair cream. So guys, I am going to be measuring about 100 grams of our oil. Yes, so I'm going to pour in our oil now and measure at about 100 grams of it. And then for the butter, I'm going to be using shea butter. You can use any butter of your choice to make this hair cream. Shea butter is one of the most amazing butter out there, which is known to penetrate as well, heal your scalp. It is very effective. It is an effective butter. It is known to grow your hair, moisturize your skin. You can use shea butter in so many ways and it will not even clog your pores. Shea butter is one butter you want to invest in. It is absolutely not expensive. It is one of those affordable butters out there that is very good. Okay, it acts as a moisturizing sealer. It combat dryness and breakage, and also strengthen your hair. So I'm going to be taking about 150 grams of our butter. So I'll measure it out, and then I will go ahead to use a double boiler to slightly melt it down. The butter is already very soft, not too soft, but it is very okay. But I want to make this process very fast for you guys, so go ahead to use a double boiler. Don't melt it directly on top of your gas. Make sure to do a double boiler by using a water bath, and use a combination of different butters like mango butter, ilipi butter. You can see the butter is melting directly on top of our water. I have a pot of water on top of my gas, and now I have the bowl on top. It is the water that is going to heat up, and then our butter is going to be melting. It's going to be melting. So guys, after melting it down, I will then allow it to cool down. You can fasten things up by putting it in the fridge to solidify. Okay, after a little bit solidifying, I will then go ahead to bring out my whipper to whip it up. So guys, at this stage, I'm just going to then add in all the cool down ingredients like my essential oil, my vitamin E oil, my fragrance. I'll be giving a jar out, so I am going to be adding in a little bit of fragrance, my essential oil. I use lavender. I don't know, my camera stopped me, so I added in my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very essential, especially if you're making any type of oil or butter cream like this. It is going to help to stop the oxidization of the oil, in order for it not to oxidize quickly or go rancid quickly. At least this butter is going to last up to 8 months. So I'm going to be giving part of the butter out, and yeah, this butter cream is very amazing for both the hair and the scalp. You can use any essential oil of your choice, and if you are using essential oil, make sure to know the limits that you are using. Don't use more than 2% of essential oil, and if you're making this for kids, make sure not to pass more than 2%. If you're using this for an adult, you can use more than 2% or 2%, but for kids, use 1% of essential oil for them. And again, I love the creaminess of this butter, guys. Oh my goodness, the butter came out fluffy, creamy. And if you are living in a hotter climate, like I said, you can make use of more butter, or just store your butter in a cool environment or in the fridge, and when it melts down, just put it in the fridge, and this butter is going to stay like this. And if I want it thicker, I will just put it in the fridge, and it is going to come out creamy like this. Okay, as you guys can see, the consistency is amazing. It is fluffy, it is creamy, and I just love it. Right now I am just going to be trying it on my hair. I already moisturize my hair. I just finished filming a video for you guys, and that video will come out after this one, so stay tuned. Please subscribe, turn on the bell notification if you have not yet turned it on. What are you waiting for? If this is your first time here, you're welcome to Natural Growth Secret. This channel is specialized for hair care and beauty, how to grow your hair. So guys, can you see how the butter is looking juicy on my hair? My coils are popping. I don't have that much coil, but my kinky coils, like my type 4 hair coils, is beautiful. Okay, you cannot tell me otherwise. My kinky coily hair is beautiful. My own coil, everybody has its own type of coils, but my own hair is beautiful. I love it. Okay, so guys, can you see how it is juicy, especially the ends of my hair? Guys, I am on a 5-month hands care challenge. I've been doing challenges before, like I embarked on a 5-month hair growth challenge. It is on my channel. Just scroll down, you can see the challenge
there, 5 months hair growth challenge, and it came out nice, it came out great, and I saw growth on my hair, and my hair have not stopped growing. It is growing. Normally we grow hair, like our hair grows out of our heads, okay? It is just the length retention. When you are not seeing that length, you would think that your hair is not growing. Normally our hair is growing. So guys, this recipe for today is going to be our week 1 challenge. So guys, go ahead. If you want to embark on this journey with me, you want to, take part of this length retention hair growth challenge, especially the ends of our hair. If you want a healthy hair, take part and join me on this challenge. If you want a length retention, take part and join me on this challenge. Let's care for our ends. Between now and 5 months, you are going to be seeing our hair, whichever length you want. Just take note of it and then keep on, with the challenge. You guys, after January, will come and, show our results. So guys, this 5 months hair growth challenge, this 5 months end care length retention challenge will be amazing. Okay, I'm going to be coming out with recipes, with tips, with tricks, and with a lot of ideas on how to regain length, to see the result. Not just our hair normally grows out of our scalp, it is just that length retention. A lot of people are experiencing dryness, breakage, and not seeing the result. And if you are also experiencing alopecia, baldness, breakage, damage, just also take part. Okay, you want to see whichever length you want, just also take part. This is going to be an overall challenge. Especially this main challenge is especially for end care and length retention challenge. So guys, this 5 months is going to be a blast. Subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Even if you don't want to partake, just subscribe. You want to see my own journey on how I am going to retain that length and see my own results. You want to just see me see that result. You want to see the process. Subscribe, even if you don't want to join. And if you want to join, subscribe and like this video and watch the next video. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your support. God bless you all and stay blessed.